Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from ADCB app to ADCB account. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your ADCB mobile application, and once you do this, the homepage interface will look something like this. Now over here, you need to tap on the transfers option in the bottom, and once you do this, you will be landed on this page where you need to select the existing beneficiary. But if you don't have any beneficiary, you can tap on the new beneficiary option here. Now once you tap on add a new beneficiary option, you will see a bunch of different further options of transfers like instant transfer in UAE, within ADCB, within UAE, international transfer, and much more. So since we want to transfer money from ADCB app to ADCB, you can select within ADCB option and you can start the adding the beneficiary option. Now you need to tap on the transfer now option, and after doing so, you will be landed on this page. Over here, you need to choose the country of transfer, which in your case would be UAE itself. So after selecting your country, you just have to simply provide the account details. So here you need to provide the IBAN number, and once you enter the IBAN number, this application is automatically going to fetch the bank details. So you just have to provide that. Once done, you need to just scroll down a bit and press continue in the bottom. On the next page, in order to add the beneficiary, you will have to provide the beneficiary details like account number, nickname, address, etc. So after filling all of these details, you need to press continue in the bottom. Now once this step is done, it will redirect you on the final page where you will have to review all of the information that you have mentioned, and if everything is correct, you can just simply tap on the confirm option in the bottom, and this way you will be able to transfer your money from ADCB app to ADCB. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.